What's going on YouTube? So, quick video. Our friends from Tesery.com sent us a package which contains some pretty cool stuff. Some 3M tape, which we lined these with, which what they are matte carbon fiber covers for the rear view mirror. So what they do is they slide over such and they protect your mirror. They also give it a nice look, a little more sleek and sporty looking. I have matte Expel Stealth on my mirrors. You can probably see the line right around here. If you look good, this side isn't covered, this side is to protect it. But I'm gonna be covering that up as well as with these right here that they also sent, which are repeater camera covers. So you put those over your repeater camera and it'll cover up that matte black as well. This one did come with 3M tape on it, but they did send an extra roll, which also a roll came with these, which I've had to line myself. But as you can see, these ones, the repeaters do have it on there. So that'll be easy to put on. These could be a little more snug because they have to go over and you might catch the 3M tape and whatnot. But if you're careful, you won't. I'm not going to use alcohol and water solution because I do have Expel Stealth on mine, and even though it probably won't hurt it, I just don't want water and alcohol sitting on this waiting to evaporate on top of that Expel Stealth. In case I ever take these off, I just don't want it to be ruined. Doubt it'll cost much to replace that, but due diligence. I'm going to wing it and not use the alcohol solution like they say to do. If you're going to use that, what you do is fill up a water bottle, take the alcohol, take some water, put it in there, spray it all over, put it over, and what will happen is it'll create a barrier between the tape and the product that you're putting it on. It'll evaporate off and it'll stick accordingly, but it gives you some wiggle room to go ahead and, like a slip solution, to put stuff on. That being said, it does come with a couple of these adhesive promoters, so we will put that on as well and go from there. Really simple stuff, but it'll give it a nice look. So let's see what happens. Let's put them on. All right, so what we want to do next is prep the surface, get rid of any junk. So I'm going to use this glass cleaner. Go ahead and spray it on there pretty liberally. And go ahead and grab microfiber clean cloth. Give it a wipe down. Make sure you get the lip around the inside accordingly, because it's going to be going there. And then next, what we want to do is, I'm not using alcohol. I'm going to use this hand sanitizer right here. I've used this for other products. The reason why I'm not using alcohol is because I do have some tape right here and stuff, and I don't want it to eat it up. This will not, so just pretty liberally go ahead and spray it down. And then we're going to come back here. We're going to go ahead and grab our cap. And then we're just gonna go ahead and slide it on. Let it rest in there. Gonna come grab our microfiber towel and just wipe away any excess for the moment. This is still gonna drip down. It'll evaporate just like the alcohol. This is what it's meant to do. Again, I've used this brand prior for this type of application where I didn't want to use alcohol. Just in case you want to ever find this kind and use it. Rejuvenate hand sanitizer, no alcohol, unscented. It does dry pretty much instantly, so that's why I use it. And it seems to work well, this application. As we can see, it's not even going anywhere yet. I should say it's not going anywhere. We just applied it. So we're gonna do the other side and then come over here and do the repeater. All right, so let's do these. This one doesn't need too, well, I was gonna say it doesn't need too much, but kind of comes to the territory there, I guess. So let's wipe it down. I would try not wiping too much on the lens. Reason being, it micro scratches possibly from any kind of dirt or whatnot. So I just, you know, pro tip, rule of thumb, wouldn't really get in there and do that. So put that up there. This one I'm not really even sure we need the slip solution too much. Oh, that's the wrong one. Make sure you put the right one on, of course. And nope, just fits right in there easily. Boom. Go ahead, give it a little push here and there. Don't go crazy with it, just a little something to adhere it. Yeah, seals pretty well. Cool. Let's do the other side. And there we go. That's really all there is to it. Goes on really easily. It's not going anywhere, as you can see. Looks fantastic. Really makes my vehicle stand out a little bit better, I believe, from the masses that are out there, especially with the carbon fiber I have inside my vehicle as well. Take a peek at that. All the carbon fiber I have inside my vehicle as well. So it plays right along with what's out here. Let's take a look at the back to see how it matches the carbon fiber on the spoiler. And as you can see, it's a dead-on match with the matte carbon fiber spoiler. Come back to here. Looks good. What do you guys think? Go ahead, leave a comment, leave a like, share, sub, tell me you hate me, do what you do in the comment section as always, and on to the next video. Have a good one.